guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I just have like a very chill vlog. I do want to start vlogging more because personally I feel like you really don't get to know who I am as a person with just like my fashion videos, because all I do is put outfits together and just pose in my outfits. So I just definitely want to start doing more little vlogs just so you can, I guess, get to know me a little bit more. So this is gonna be like a night routine vlog or evening routine vlog, whatever we're gonna title this video. But it is currently 4:46, about to be 5, and it is my day off, so I decided, you know, why not do a little vlog for you guys. So right now I am just getting started on my homework, because if I'm not at work, I'm at home doing school stuff. But I am scheduling out my planner, so scheduling out my duties of the week. So I have my planner right here. So today is the 13th and is my day off, so I'm just have my to-do for the days. I'm just planning out my week, and then I have some stickers to add to my planner. I got these really cute planner stickers from Amazon and I love these. These are definitely cute for planning. Each month has like a page for each month. So this is my October month stickers. It had like spooky stickers on it. See, like these are the November one, and this is the December one. So I have Christmas stickers and so on. And then it also has like different type of stickers that you'll use for a planner. See, like for this one, it has the book to read sticker and just a whole different variety of stickers. So I definitely love these stickers. And then I also have some Harry Potter stickers and then some Halloween stickers to add around my planner. So that's what I'm doing. I wrote down the stuff I'm going to do, and then now I'm just gonna add stickers around it. Alright, so this is what my planner looks like. I finished adding the stickers, add that spooky feel to it. So that's that. So now that I finished planning out my week, I am gonna read a little bit before I start on my homework, because homework can take quite a few hours. So I'm just gonna go ahead and read first. Oh, and look how cute is this. So I recently, yes, I am 22 years old and I get excited over a Build-A-Bear, and it's a little Harry Potter Build-A-Bear. It has its Ravenclaw gear because I am a Ravenclaw. So he has his little robe, and then this has his little Ravenclaw tie. So yeah, I was definitely excited to get this. And it has his little Ravenclaw scarf. So yeah, I got this because, yeah, I'm childish. Right, and since I am a fashion channel, I do want to show my fit of the day, which is very simple. It's just a Selena Gomez shirt I got from H&M. Just some plain black leggings from Walmart. And then, yes, I joined the Croc gang and I got these colorful Crocs. And I also got some green Crocs because, of course, I had to get my favorite color. So these are definitely some comfy shoes. Definitely want to get more. Alright, so now on to my reading. So these are today's reads. So I'm going to read this prayer book. I'm going to read like 1 or 2 prayers. And then I have this poetry book. It's called Falling Toward the Moon. And then, of course, my Game of Thrones book. And I've been slacking on reading this book because, first of all, look how big it is. And also, I've been slacking on my reading overall because I was too busy studying for the HESI. And by the way, I finally took it and your girl passed. Thank the Lord. I got a 95. So hopefully that is a good enough score to get into the program. So if not, I don't know what to do anymore. But like, come on. I think that's a pretty good score to get in. So hopefully I get in, but I passed. At least I have that stress out of the way, so I could finally get back to my reading. So yeah, I'm gonna read this book, and then of course I'm gonna read a little bit the new book I got. So yep, let me get my read on. So it is much later. I've been reading for quite a while, for almost an hour. As you can tell by the change in lighting, it is now dark, and well, it is now 6:22. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower because I am gonna watch the season premiere of The Bachelorette. That is my show. I just love the drama. So I'm gonna go ahead and shower because The Bachelorette comes on at 7 and it is 6:22. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shower so I could get comfy to watch my show. Alright, so I finished taking the shower and now it is time to get my goods ready so I could eat while I watch The Bachelorette. It's about to come on it's about to come on in 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna heat up my food real quick. I am just gonna eat a teriyaki bowl. What is it? Teriyaki chicken and beef bowl that I got from Yogi's Grill. A lot of people that I work with hype this place up and it is pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and heat it up real quick.
In 18 years I've been doing this show, we've never dealt with anything like this. There's also COVID tests.
Alright, thoughts so far. I am rooting for Del because obvious reasons. If you know, you know. DeMar because he's from Arizona, Scottsdale, Arizona. And Easy because he seems like he's fun. I'll definitely want to be his friend. That's Easy, the one running around. So I'm definitely rooting for him too. Here's my little watch buddy. What do you think so far, Fiji? Yes, you're rooting for DeMar too? Yes. I haven't brought my homework because you know, gotta be responsible. Do my assignments while I watch The Bachelorette. Gotta do some quizzes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that while I watch this show. Ah, there he is. Look at her smile. You already know she's thrilling him.
I'm ready. You look beautiful.
You're supposed to be doing your quiz here, but you're getting too entertained with The Bachelorette. But it's not time, so I'm good, I'm good.
And I can't wait to see it inside. Can't wait. Alright.
She can't wait.
That's amazing. We're good have
Ooh.
You knew it. I feel like I just met my husband.
There it is. There it is.
With Dale, everything else went dark around me. I don't even know what I just said. Did I sound okay? Did I say anything at all? Easy.
Yes! Yes! My boy Easy.
Easy. Will you accept this rose?
Now we just need DeMar and we good.
Jason.
I'm getting nervous. We're already halfway through and she hasn't called out my boy DeMar.
DeMar.
Yes! Yo, sorry. Yep.
Tomorrow, will you accept this ring?
Of course.
Yay!
I know a lot of guys that talk to her.
Alright, I don't care about the other guys.
I'm one and done here.
My guys are in.
Chase them.
So, yay!
Chase them away.
So she gave a rose to Joseph, who was DMing girls, but didn't give one to Tyler,
I'm sorry.
who warned her.
Take a moment. Say your
I'm
goodbyes.
pretty sure the producers told her to choose him for drama reasons, but like,
Oh, it's such a pleasure to
come
meet
on. Wait, did he get a rose? Wait, she really didn't give him a rose.
What? This hurts right now.
I'm like still on my quiz because I've been so distracted.
You don't have any control over that feeling.
I'm on my last question. I'm almost done. Alright, I'm finally done with the quiz. I am gonna click submit. I completely BS the last 2 questions, so they probably give me the ones I get wrong. So let's see. Do submit quiz. Oh snap! 20 out of 20. Yay! And it took me 68 minutes because your girl was too entertained with the Bachelorette. It took me a whole hour to finish this. Alright, so now it is time to do my nightly skincare routine. Since after I showered, I was just too busy trying to get ready to watch The Bachelorette. I didn't do my skincare routine, but now I am going to do it. So first I am going to use this Cetaphil cleanser. Let me just get my hair out of my face. Alright, so now I am going to exfoliate. So I don't know why I dried my face if I was just gonna exfoliate. I forgot because I don't always exfoliate. I exfoliate here and there. So tonight I am going to exfoliate and I am going to use this Equate Deep Clarifying Exfoliating Scrub. So I gotta moisten my face again. Alright, so now that I exfoliated my face, I am going to use this toner, and it is from The Ordinary. Yes, I got it because of TikTok. I'm gonna go ahead and get this little cotton and tone. I don't know if I showed you, but this is the toner I'm using. So far it's alright. Honestly, I don't really get the hype over it, but I haven't used it enough to get any good results. Okay, and then after I put the toner, I am going to put this serum. I honestly don't know what this is, but it is the hyaluronic acid 2%, and I think this is supposed to like moisture your face. Honestly, I don't even know. I just throw on random shit. And add a couple drops. Okay, and now I am gonna put this eye cream. It is the L'Oreal Eye Defense. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it under my eyes. Just a little bit. Alright, and then lastly, now I am going to moisturize, and I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. Got a little too much. And that is it, folks. Alright, so I'm gonna get ready to call it a day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat my snacks and watch Emily in Paris. I got recommended to watch this show by a lot of people. So far, I'm in like episode 4 and the outfits are 50-50. There's like some that I'm like, okay, that one is cute. There's other ones like, that one has potential. And then there's other ones that are like, what the hell is she wearing? So I could see why some people say that her outfits are ugly, but I think some of them are actually cute. But again, I think her outfits are 50-50. So let's see how the rest of the episodes go. Okay, I'm back just to tell you guys to remember to vote. I just grabbed my ballot. I am gonna fill this bad boy out tomorrow, but remember to vote. I have some key dates for you guys. I am going to mail in my ballot, but if you do want to request a ballot in the mail, October 23rd is the last day to request a ballot in the mail, and then October 27th is the last day to mail back your ballot. So if you are gonna mail in your ballot, remember that October 27th is the last day to mail it, or I believe you could turn it in person on November 3rd, which is election day. So make sure you're on top of that. That is, well, these are the deadlines for Arizona, because I know a lot of people that watch my channel are from AZ, because that's where I'm from. But if you are from another state, make sure to look up key dates on when is the last day to request your ballot and the last day to mail it. So yep, don't forget to vote. And now back to watching Emily in Paris.